Mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta ni ahingurite weru ruhonge rwa wendia wa nyama rwa thirikari KMC ruria riu ruritongoragio ni Ministry ya ugitiri wa nanja makiyukia kuuma kuri Ministry ya urimi na mahiu. Murimi wa mahiu na uria urarehe mahiu niwo kugunika makiria, na kwa muhiano arimi aria matarihitwo ihinda-ini ria miaka 4 ni magukorwo makirihwo mbeca ciao.
I am keenly looking forward to going forward, you maintaining your pledge that all farmers will be paid within 72 hours of the delivery of their livestock to your facility.
President neugite kuyukia kwa ruhonge ruru ni mbiraru guku bururi-ini ni rukwambia kwiyukiriria ta hau kabere thuguri ya nyama igitanywo kwa ndanduka makiria guku bururi-ini ona nja ya bururi.
The Kenya Meat Commission dovetails well into the food security and manufacturing pillars of our Big Four agenda, and indeed improved meat productivity will spur not only the livestock sector, but also revamp activities linked to the industrial scale meat processing.
Gwikinyiria mweri-ini wa itandatu ruhonge rwa nyamu cia githaka KWS, ruhonge rwa mbeu njithi NYS, ruhonge rwa njera na thukuru cia maabitha borithi ni matanyitwo kwambiriria kugura nyama ruhonge-ini ruru ari ikinya ria kwambiriria kuriukia wendia wa nyama kuuma ruhonge-ini ruru.
I also want to acknowledge the immense work and partnership between the Ministry of Defence, the livestock farmers, and other stakeholders in transforming this facility.
Minister wa ugitiri wa nanja Monica Juma ni ugite ni magutigirira ruhonge ruru ni rwerugamia na mari muharini wa mbere wa gutigirira ni rwambiriria guthondeka baita.
We also embarked immediately on development of a business plan that will drive this facility back into a profitable and sustainable enterprise in line with your guidance for a turnaround strategy of the Commission. So far, Your Excellency, we have taken stock of all the inventory of the Commission's physical assets and equipment across the country for the purpose of accountability and, most importantly, to safeguard these assets.
Mutongoria wa bururi ni ateteire ikinya ria guthamia ruhonge ruru kuma Ministry ya urimi na mahiu nginyagia kuri Ministry ya ugitiri wa nanja. Ngiribotera KMC TV ritoroko ni Wanjiru wa Foro.